Hello, welcome back to the channel. Another video, ZX6R J2. So today I'm going to be changing the fuel filter at under 17,000 miles. Not sure whether that's entirely necessary or not, but it is 20-year-old the bike, so yeah, we'll see. So I'm going to change this. I've got the genuine Kawasaki fuel filter. That's the box, that's the part number anyway there. And yeah, fuel filter there. So brilliant. So without further ado, I'll get onto that, and it should be quite straightforward. I've got to take away the seat. Oh, and that seat as well. The tank. That's it. So there's a fuel filter just there. Can't really tell whether it's dirty or not, but what I'll do, once we've changed it, we'll open that up, cut it open and see whether it was worth doing or not. Okay, so there's like a rubber strap holding this on, so I'll just put some tissue around there to catch a bit of the fuel that is bound to spill out. There's another metal clip. Slide that over the back of there, and this rubber clip should just clip from there. That's it. That's just pull out of there now at the end of that. There we go. Right, that's a bit better. It's a little bit cleaner in there anyway. Get too carried away sometimes, can't you? That is the strap that's holding the fuel filter in. So you can see how that goes. A little slit in the end of that side. Wraps around the fuel filter. Goes onto there. Slides over that. And that holds it on. Right, there we are, fuel filter on. Couldn't do it one-handed, holding camera as well, so yeah, that's it. That clips on there nicely, straps it's on there, so that's fine. So tank back on, plug it back onto there, and give it a try. Should fire up pretty much straight away. I'll try and video it. Not sure how much I'll be able to capture because this is going to be a bit awkward to see anything more. I'll see what I'm doing anyway on film. Just give us a sec. So this, the breather tube for the tank, there's a little hole there just in front of the battery. I'm trying to feed that down there. That in. And this pipe of the tank just there needs to go onto the end of there. There we go, so I've got that on there. I just need to get this metal clip over there. That's it, done. So that's it, fuel pipe on. Let's put this clamp back on. Oops. And then we'll try it. That's it, done. Right, give it a try. There's my keys. Get a bit of choke. Oh, fuel tap. That'll help. be on reserve. There we go. No leaks. Fine. Right. Let's see how it goes. Well. Excellent. Right, all done. What a good do. Put it back together, and then we'll dissect the old filter and see how dirty it is inside. Okay. Right, so yeah, it does look quite dirty inside, doesn't it? See that arrow there shows direction of fuel flow. So in there, out there. It looks dirty on the outside. I don't know if you can see in there, but it also looks quite dirty in there. So I've got my hacksaw. Let's cut it open, see what it looks like. Okay, let's have a look inside. Is it dirty or is it not? It does look quite dirty, doesn't it? So yeah. See, I end up running the bike. I don't run it constantly, but I always end up going into reserve. There's no fuel gauge on these bikes, as you're probably aware. So yeah, I do go into reserve a lot, and that is where a lot of the sediment will end up in the tank. So yeah, it's been alright. This is a nice new one in there anyway, so this will be definitely as old as the bike, I'm sure. So yeah, excellent. What a good do. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Next job, I think, is going to be that chain. So might be a few weeks before I get around to that. But yeah, thanks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much.